Yeah. So coming back, guys, I will just continue with the topic. Okay. So the next one is word count. Sir, how much words should I seriously ready to write if I want to rank for this, not this one. I think I was trying to rank for this one, web design services. So how many words should I seriously write to rank this page? Okay. Now there is no standard thumb rule, guys, but there's no standard number to write, guys. Some people say 300, some people write 700, some people write 2000. So there is no standard value here, but I have a formula for this. So what I do is, if I want to seriously rank, I take the average of top 5 competitors and multiply by 2. This is what I write. This is my formula. Say for example, if your top 5 competitors average word count, average, some of them will be much higher than 500, some people will be lower than 500. I take the average of them and multiply by 2. Now I'll make sure I will write close to. I'll try to reach almost 3000 words. So that should be the word count that you actually write. Okay. So guys, while writing content, again, I told you in my copywriting class also, research plays a very important role. Okay. You have to do a lot of research to write content. So write more in-depth content. Don't write fluffy content. So make sure every sentence that you write, every point that you write makes sense, every paragraph has a conclusion to itself. Okay. So don't over promote. Okay. And don't, I am telling not promote, don't promote also. You should promote yourself, but don't over promote. Talk to the topic. Try to add as much value as possible. So guys, one thing you have to understand, visitor is coming to your website to know some information or knowledge about that field. So whenever a person is searching for that, you should provide the best possible answer for that. Okay. Try to write more in depth, more thorough content than your competitors. That's where I will write the word count. So the more in depth you write, the better, guys. So Google likes content. Google likes content. I have this page doesn't hardly have 500 to 1000 words, maybe like even 800 words. Maybe you have to write more. Okay, the page length can be as lengthy, it's fine. Okay, it can be longer also, the page, but it has to cover 3000 words. Give more spaces, give more paragraphs, add FAQs, add more sections to it, add more blocks and widgets. Try to add as much as possible, but try to cover 3000 words. You can do it for your pages also, you can do it for your post also, for your blogs and articles also you can do. Okay. So this is aspect of word count, guys. Make sure you write more lengthy content. Now usually I don't write content for my company, I usually outsource them to other people. So anywhere, again, it depends from industry to industry, guys. I usually hire freelancers to this work, I mean good freelancers. They anywhere charge from 50 paisa to 1 rupee per word. Okay. For 1000 words they charge me around 500 to 1000 rupees, depends on the type of content and depends on the research to be done. But preferably I outsource it because I want to spend more time on growing the business than writing the content. But at the final, I do the proofreading and I do check the plagiarism, I do read it and add keywords then. Okay. So next one, guys, this is the aspect of word count. Make sure you check the average word count. You check your competitive analysis report. So hopefully you check your competitive analysis report. If I see here, let me see my competitors word count. If I seriously want to rank for web design services, now let me select all these things. Let me select all these things and click on average. 1421 words is the word count. I have to write almost 2842 words to, if I want to rank it, if I want to seriously rank it. Okay, that should be my average word count I will be trying to goal for. Okay. So this is what I will recommend, guys. This is what my formula is for content. Okay. So this is aspect of word count.